Hi everybody! Today we're going to make this cute little bunny. Just like with all of our other origami projects, you're going to start with a square piece of paper. Turn it on its side, and you're going to fold along this line here. Now, you're going to fold along this line here. Open it back up again. Now you're going to fold up the bottom just about an inch. You're going to take this corner and you're going to bring it upward. These are going to be the bunny's ears, so they don't need to be straight right up against the line. Make it a little bit slanted. Go ahead and do the same with the other side. Turn it over. Now you're going to take this top edge and you're going to fold it down just a tiny bit. And you're going to do the same thing with the bottom. Now he's ready for his face. So grab your marker. Add some eyes. A nose and a smile.